Guys, welcome back to the new video. And as you must have guessed, so today I will gonna be using the redesign because I have my own website which I'm working on and I want some ideas for it. So let's see if the Stitch AI can give me something creative or not. So let's see if it has its own built-in templates and it has easy edits, export code, and everything is here, and your own design built with Gemini. Vibe design is here, so this is vibe designing. I mean, basically, so what is Stitch? Google Stitch. So Google Stitch is an AI native software design canvas developed by Google Labs. So let's try to give it the website. So the website currently I'm working upon, that is the btechguy.in. So you guys will be able to see my website pretty soon. I mean, it is gonna be live soon, and I'm gonna sell the mouse pad. So just to give you guys a little hint about how the mouse pad will look like, I had the samples over here, so you can check out the samples. So these are the samples. So this is the something how the mouse pads will look like. And if you want to order it, maybe you can subscribe the channel for the latest updates when this is gonna be live. And I'll be selling these at a very low price for you all. And for those the anime lovers and even the geeks are pretty much a fan of anime and different kind of mouse pad, it just escalate and like makes your desktop more elegant, make your space more elegant. So I'll not promote my mouse pad right now in this video because for that I'll create a separate video. And let's just copy this URL and let's see if Stitch can read my website and can do the changes. Hey, this okay for the prompt also. Let's not write the prompt. I'll be using ChatGPT only for the prompt also. Okay, so let's use the chat GPT for the prompt. So, hey, give me a prompt for the Stitch AI, and I want the Stitch AI to read my current website and look into it through all the sections and let me know that what changes can we do and how can I make it stand out more, and the area of improvements, maybe area of improvements, and then ask it to give me a redesigned, okay, redesigned website. Do not go on the web like errors, because I mean I'm just typing it. A chat GPT will can just read it how it is. So to ask me to give a redesigned website of my website so that I can compare how good Stitch can work. So let's give this prompt to ChatGPT and it will give us a good prompt for the Stitch to give. So basically, it is giving us the complete prompt and we just need to copy paste this and give it to Stitch. So paste your website link here. I'll just go over here. Instead of this, I'll just paste the prompt and the prompt is here. And for the website, I'll copy this over here and I'll just paste my website over here as well. So let's try to give it a try, and it is currently in the beta version. The stage is currently in the beta version, but I want to see how good can it work. So welcome to Stitch, and okay, I'll okay, it has logged me in. Okay, now I'll just load it and we'll see that what does the Stitch UI do and whether it is worth the hype or not, because I have been listening a lot about Stitch that it is taking down a lot of UI developers and designers. So let's see if it is worth the hype or not, because I've given it my website, and this website I have been working on this pretty lately, and we'll see. So the interface looks pretty to me as a front-end developer. I would say they have a pretty nice this UI interface over here. So now it is taking some time. It is thinking about it. So we'll see how much time does it take to create a like to create and think about to read the whole website and to redesign about it. So the logs are being created over here. So it is generating the screen right now, and we'll see what does it generate, what does it provides. How does it know? Okay, guys, so the Stitch has given the results, and as you can see, it is giving. Okay, so it has given me the design. So, well, I'll look into the design and we'll see that. Okay, okay. So, well, the design does look very nice, and you see, it has given, but I don't know if it is my network or what. The image is very blurred. So, it is using the Glass UI, which is the latest UI by the way, and I really liked it. I mean, and this is pretty clean, and this button over here, it is also very clean, and as you can see, this over here is also very good. I mean, I do like it, and I don't know if it knows I have a setup like this, because my setup does look like this as well, and it says the top tier aesthetics, and then it has the mouse pad images over here. Then we have the precise control, ultra clear visuals, and build different, and we have the before versus after image. So this is something nice. I mean, before versus after in a website does create an impact, and this is social proof. So social proof is basically, I mean, it is given me the testimonials kind of thing, and then we have this. So this was the product area. Okay, so let's see if it is the website, but I am, I don't know, it is, it hasn't given me the next pages and also website analysis issue. So visual noise, the clarity current uses a lot of stock images, banner image generating branding, and we have the inspection print. The product characterized is varied for a mousepad brand. The surface is the texture, build quality as input. So trust signals, testimonials are text heavy, and we have this high contrast dark mode. So move a deep charcoal black. Okay, so deep charcoal black. So it has given me a summary that what the changes it has done, and designed the page and collection. Okay, so let's see. You have 15 redesign screen remaining for today. Okay, so it can only redesign 15 times in a day. We cannot redesign it more than 15 times. So what I want to do is maybe give me all the screens. Give me all these screens for the give me all these screens for the website, and make it mobile responsive as well, and give me the mobile design as well. So I wanted to create the mobile design as well. I mean, I just don't want it to give me the desktop version, because that is nice. I mean, obviously that is nice, but I want it to generate more screens. So it is generating one more screen. I don't know what I clicked over here. So I did click something, and it is generating one more screen. And I mean, they're pretty easy to handle over here. I mean, it is kind of like a canvas. Okay, okay, okay. So this has given me the product detail page. So this is the product detail. Visualize your setup, and we have this select option, and we have text specs. So what are the specs of the like mouse pad? Then we have different photos over here. So this does look good. I mean, this is good. And but what if I want this as well? And I would also want this now to give me the code for this whole as well. So I had my code in Next.js, so I wanted to create. I will see whether it can generate me the code for this website or not. So I'll just give it some ideas, and I'll just create code from it as well. So we'll see whether it can generate the code or not. So that would be also interesting if it can create the code for me. Okay, so we'll see if it can generate the code. So first, it does take little bit of time for the thinking part. I mean, yeah, it is okay. Okay, I have not seen over here. So let me. Okay. It is giving me all the screens. As you can see, it is giving all the screens to me, and this one looks pretty dope. I mean, it does look pretty dope. How do I scroll in their web? How do I scroll? I mean, they have I can not scroll. I just have to zoom in, zoom out. So we have this page, then we have this page. Okay, we have this. What is this? What it has created? It has created collection page or something. Okay, it is giving me the suggestions, I guess, over here. Now we have home page for the mobile product detail mobile page. Okay. So for the mobile, it is giving me this. Okay, this looks good. Plain. I mean, it just shows the complete detail. We have this home, shop, account, card, and but still, I mean, if you will look into the industry, I mean, it is good that it has created all this, but I just like the first one over here. I mean, which was this one. I like this one, and only the banner part, I guess, I like much. Still, yeah, I still am struggling with its UI. I don't know how much. I mean, I just want to. Okay, this one I liked. I mean, over here, I like the hero section of this page, which is here, and this glass UI, which is it has used over here. So, I mean, these are some of the ideas which I can implement it. I mean, instead of this black uh, like navigation bar which I have over here at the header, instead of it, I can use a glass UI, which will look pretty classy for that. And over here, I can use a section. Instead of this section looks pretty cool to me, and it has a little bit of animation, and the background image, I mean, the background image makes it pretty nice. So let's try to see if it can you give me the complete code in Next.js and use JS instead of TS, because currently I'm not working on TypeScript because you need to put a lot of checks there in TypeScript, and it will give you unwanted warnings, and I don't want that. So that's why I'm keeping it simple in just JS. So let's see if it can give me the code. Um, I don't know if it generates the code as well or not. So we will get to know. I'll just zoom it in. We have one more screen left over here. We have this collection mobile screen, which is here, and okay. And again, it is generating the screen only. Okay, this is complete UI. It is not generating me the code over here. So I don't know if you guys know how, like, whether it generates the code also or not. Do let me know in the comment section, because I am unable to get code out of it. But yeah, it is generating the screens pretty well. I mean, I can see it is creating the UI, but also there is a drawback. I mean, the images are pretty low on quality, and the section you cannot inspect the sections. I mean, yeah, it is giving the design that is there, but you cannot inspect. I mean, see, you cannot check whether what is the distance, what is the width. So no way this is gonna remove Figma developers or Figma designers. I mean, still it has a lot of work to do. And yeah, this is the beta version still, but yeah. So I liked some of the ideas over here, but I don't like the overall the images and the UI it is generating. That is fine, but not very good. I mean, Lovable can do pretty far better work than this, and it generates the code as well. I mean, I've tried Lovable as well, and I've created the video. So Lovable is far more better than this one. So it has generated more screens. So yeah, see, it has generated some screens. So same thing over here as well. No, I don't think so. This will work as I want. So this was it for this video, and I did. This was the whole review about Stitch, which you can see, and I did like some of the things which it has given me. It gave me a little bit of the ideas that what things I can change, and what is this over here? Okay, it is trying to do something. Maybe it is trying to generate the code or something, but it is generating it over here. So I don't know what it is doing. So instead of this, okay, I guess it has generated me the code as well, but it is generating in this way, setup preview. Okay, this has no use for me right now. So this was complete overview for the Stitch AI which was there, and let me know in the comment section that what are your thoughts on the Stitch AI and have you used it till now or not. So this was it for today's video. We'll see you in the next video. Tab tak ke liye, tata, bye bye, take care guys.